Then I'm gonna look around his table, his men, his family, ask him who he wants to spare. First person he points to, that's who I'm killing. And then everyone else he cares about, I'm gonna let him live in the agony of that for a little while.
Oh, you can hear me cry.
This life, it ain't romantic or free. There's no path to anything that makes any sense.
Sorry.
It's just dirty and sad.
It's so quiet here, and I feel so cold. This house no longer feels like home.
I can't do that. This is all I got left.
The desire for revenge. It's a part of grieving. The difference is in my world, I knew that those violent desires would never become real. In yours, it's a very likely outcome.
I don't like being alone. I'm not good around.
I love you, kid.
I love you, Jackson.
I love you, Philip.
I know the turmoil you live with, Jax. I feel the pain you wake up with every day.
What I know is that the gavel turns shit around.
I'm not a good man. He knows how tight the club is. How much I love my guys. I'm a criminal and a killer. I need the truth.
Tara was dead. The way she killed her. So brutal.
All I see are the lies and the violence and how it's changed you, turned you into a monster.
I love you both so much. I can't do anything to change what's happened, but I'm gonna make damn sure I do everything I can to make it right.
I love you, my brother.
It's about Tara.
Oh, if you gave a shit about Tara, maybe you'd spend a little less time being a thug and a little more time being a dad.
After everything she did, all the lies, death, and the wreckage. I still love her, you know?
This house no